Lightroom tip? Yeah, okay. So this is like a couple of tips in one. But you see the image we have on screen, right? So that's not how it looked. I'm going to show you how it looked. Here, let me show you. So this is the picture. It's taken in Venice, right, from walking down one of the canals. And I'm using a wide-angle lens, and I didn't straighten up, and you can see it's just a mess. All right, the first thing that I would do is this. Do you notice that the building itself is like bulging out towards the viewer, right?
Yeah.
So the first thing I would do is go to the lens corrections panel, go to the profile, of course, and turn on the enable profile corrections. It doesn't know what camera I took this with. This is a long time ago. I'm going to say it was a Nikon. Yeah, looks like it was.
There it was.
That's better.
Yeah.
Just that right there is better, right?
It took that bulge out.
Right, it did. It took that's really good. If it doesn't do it enough, you can go here to manual, and there's actually a slider called distortion, and that will let you manually do it if you don't think. I think it actually does need a little bit more manual. Maybe right there. Maybe that's a little too far. Somewhere in there. And then there's a little thing called constrain crop that'll crop that extra stuff away. All right. We still have the same problem, though, in that the whole building is kind of leaning and all that mess. All right. So here's what we're going to do. There is a feature in here in Transform, the next panel down, and it is called Guided. All right. So that what that means is you're going to tell Lightroom what lines are supposed to be straight. And it's going to look horrendous until you draw the last line. You're going to draw 4 lines. So we're going to hit Guided. And I'm going to draw from here going up. So this should be straight, right? So I'm going to go from this wall here. And it gives you a little close up if you really need a nailing and really get exactly on the line. But something like that-ish, I think, is pretty straight. All right. And that's not really going to do much. All right. Then you're going to draw another one on this side and go, no, this should be straight too. I'm going to go up this very crooked post here. And that doesn't look good. Like I said, this doesn't look good to the very end. Then we're going to draw. So those two were vertical lines. Now you're going to draw a horizontal line. So what is supposed to be horizontally straight? Now this building was built a while ago. So, oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's starting to get there.
Almost there. Let's do one more. And done. And there you go. That is how we do it. So that, I think, is a surprisingly powerful tool. There you go. So it really does make a big difference. Now, if you feel, after doing this, that the image looks a little like stretched, like does it look tall to you, like taller than?
It's like it's stretched it out.
You can go to the Transform panel, and there is a slider called Aspect. Right there, Aspect. What it does is if you drag it to the left, it makes it wider, and to the right, it makes it skinnier. In this case, I think we should probably drag a little
wider,
little to the right, maybe to right there-ish. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
And I think we're in pretty good shape.
Very cool.